In today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed Canva code in Wix. So start by opening up your Canva code project. Then next is click on the share or the publish button at the top right. Then click on the publish button. Next is toggle on the show code option. Then click on copy code. Now in the new tab, head over to your Wix editor and make sure that you open up the page where you want your design to appear. Then in the left panel, click on Add Elements. Then look for Embed Code. Then click on Embed HTML. And here in the text box, paste the code that you copied from Canva earlier and press Update. Now resize and reposition it wherever you like and how much you want it to appear. And once done, preview your site to make sure everything loads correctly. And if everything looks good, hit the publish button at the top right, and your Canva project is now live on your Wix website. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!